Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our first topic is reading comprehension. Introduction. Before I start introduction, let me show that we are reading comprehension. In this, we read the comprehension and the questions which we used in the comprehension and each and everything we will discuss in this technology. Before getting into the detailed strategies, I want to say that the most important way to really understand what you are reading is to get involved the passage. As if a friend of yours were reading the passage to you and you had to be interested so you would not slight your friend. It means when you are reading the passage, it's just like to hear your friend voice in which your friend tell a story and you do not slight pay attention. You are totally involved in the passage. Similarly, you are totally involved in your friend story. It may be a story, it may be a event, each and every, etc. Okay? When you see the passage on paper, it is also a good idea to underline important parts of the passage, which will also to grow over later in one of the strategies. So many students ask, how do I answer reading comprehension questions? How do I read the passage effectively? How do I look at the questions before reading the passage? Do I understand? Do I underline things in the passage? Do I have to memorize details and the details, the dates? How do I get interested and involved in the passage? All these good questions we will be answered carefully and in the right sequence. For example, if you read a passage, the first strategy, there are many strategies, but the first strategy is introduction. Underline these lines which are difficult or which may be contain some dates and which may be contain some type of events and details and memorize it. When you underline these passages line, you are totally involved in these lines and you are totally pay attention on these lines. So this is our the first strategy which we discussed in next video. Thanks for watching.